Hey guys, Jason at JP3 again. We got a left-hand drive, FD in the shop, where I'm going to show you how to take the evaporator out of the left-hand drive. It's the same exact process as the right-hand drive, but we'll do it for the left just for equality's sake. All right, so first what we're going to do is, again, we're just going to take a couple of things out and this evaporator comes out. So the glove box is going to come out, and in order to get there, first we got to take this little sail panel off, and then we'll move over to the glove box. So we'll take that off. There's just that little push pin, and then we'll take that off. All right, so once we got that sail panel off, we're going to open up the glove. We're going to push in on each side. We're going to pop this glove box down, and there's going to be a screw on each side. So what we're going to have to do is going to take off these little two covers. There's a couple of push pins on each side to expose that screw. All right, so we'll take care of that. All right, so we got the two side pieces, side little covers off, and so we're going to take off these two screws, one on each side, to take out that glove box. All right, so we got the glove box out, and just a couple more steps, and we got this evaporator box out. So one, you got to pull out the drain tube off of the firewall hole. Take that out. Two, you're going to disconnect this harness from the evap box. And then the last two things is there's going to be two M6 nuts that you're going to take out. There's one here, and there's going to be one, let's see if we can see it on camera. There's going to be one right up here, right back there. So we're going to take those two nuts out, and this box is ready to come out. All right, let's do that. All right, so just another tip for you guys, before you pull it out of the evap box out of the dash, or out of the cabin, you're obviously gonna have to disconnect the lines in the engine bay. So I did that already, and a couple of tips. One, disconnect this brake booster tube, so that way it gives you a little bit more room. And two, I found it much easier if you take off this little heat shield off of the ABS unit. The way you do that is you take out, there's two bolts up front, and there's going to be another two bolts in the back. That loosens up the ABS pump enough that you can lift it up and take the shield off. And once you do that, it gains you enough access to get some wrenches in there and disconnect the lines. So that is that. All right, so let's take that box out. All right, so everything's disconnected. I got the two M6 nuts off the studs here. So let's pull it on. All right, so there's going to be a little, this harness is still connected, so we're going to disconnect the clip here, and that'll be set us free. So just popped this little clip off the back, disconnected it off of the box, and just pull this out. I did have the grommet still stuck in there, so that's probably what's holding us back. Little tug, and we got it out. As you can see, this is why we take them out and clean them up. This one's got a lot of organic matter in there. All right, so there's a Denso unit. We're going to be cleaning this up, and I'll show you guys how we do that. Change the expansion valve as well. All right, see you on the next one.